behind me is the maze garden. Let's see if I can complete this maze and come out successfully. Let's start. Can you see the bridge over there? So now my next move is to reach there. I am almost at the end of the bridge. Step inside the glass house. It's Karnataka Siri Horticulture Garden. The entry ticket is 100 rupees. So I have three ways, either to go with this one or go with this one or go through this bush. And I have chosen the middle one. Let's see. So this place is insanely huge. And then we have elephant decorated with stone chips. Now let's go through this way. This looks interesting. So many steps. Ta-da! This is where I have reached. And there are a lot of tortoise sculpture. And I happen to spot such a cute piggy here. See? Hi piggy. The smell of flowers are really very good in this place. The air is, filled with so many pleasant smell. I find this one really very pretty. So guys, behind me is the maze garden. Let's see if I can complete this maze and come out successfully. Let's start. Here I go. So from now, the adventure begins. Either you can go this way or this way. I prefer to go deeper, so I'm going this way. Shall we go deeper? I said yes. So when I went there, I think that's the end of the maze. So I need to take a U-turn and go on the other way. Okay, I'm still finding way. Wow. See? And successfully I got my way out. So guys, This looks like an never-ending garden, and the beauty is everywhere. Now I'm going to go for another route. See, that one was the one that I walked, and this is where I'm currently walking. Up next, my spot is the glass house. It is decorated with bougainvillea on the outside, on both sides. Now let's step inside the glass house. Wow! So many beautiful indoor plants. In the beginning, I showed you 3 ways. I went through the second way and came out through the third one. Now I am walking on the first one because I'm determined that I'm going to complete the whole garden. Just check out this place. Oh God. Can you see the bridge over there? So now my next move is to reach there. So guys, I am almost at the bridge and I'm so excited to cross this bridge. So I have started. They are freshly painting also. So that's it guys, I'm at the bridge and the view is breathtaking. Wow. I am almost at the end of the bridge, and after crossing the bridge I am at the other end of the garden, and here you can see tea plantation behind me. Pretty, so pretty. The tea garden behind me, so green, and the wind. One thing that I've completely missed out is they must be having a water show in the evenings. You can see all the setup and of course people to sit and look at it. So I completely miss out this fun. Can you see those fishes over there? Yeah. And then we have a small fountain also there. and statue of swan. After all the exploration, this is the sign that you really wanted to see. But this beauty will remain with me forever.